Hey foodies! Welcome back to our channel guys. You're watching Get Set and Cook with Pratima and Chandana. Isn't this picture familiar? Don't we all have this problem at home? That's right, sometimes when we buy bananas they tend to get ripe really fast, especially that it's summer now. We all have this problem. I'm here to show you 3 ways wherein we can use overripe bananas and make something nice out of it. So today's recipe is banana French toast. Let's see what we require. 2 overripe bananas, 3 slices of bread, 1 egg, some milk, some castor sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and castor sugar and cinnamon mixture. Also Hershey's syrup and Hershey's almond spread. Let's get started. So I'm taking 2 medium-sized bananas here and I'm going to slice them up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. Now take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of butter in it and add in the bananas that we just cut up. To this also add about 2 teaspoons of castor sugar, but if you're a sweet tooth you can add in some more sugar. You can also add in regular sugar if you do not have castor sugar. Give this a good mix and let the bananas lightly caramelize in the butter sugar mixture. Once they look something like this, you can take it out in a bowl. Now take the bread slices and cut the edges off. Now roll your bread to make it a little thin, but if your bread is a little firm, you don't want to do this because it will crack up just like mine did, so you can skip this step. Now add in the banana mixture onto your bread, spread it evenly and then place another slice on the top. Repeat the same for other slices and then keep it aside. Now I'm taking in 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of castor sugar and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and I'm whisking it all up. Take this mixture and take your bread slices and evenly coat them on all sides and then cook it on your pan. Add in some butter onto your pan depending on your preference and then cook it on all sides. Once they look something like this, you can take it out. I'm now taking these and coating it with the castor sugar and cinnamon powder that we had made earlier. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. Now garnish it with some Hershey's chocolate syrup and then plate it up. Please like my videos, share them with your loved ones, comment below what you want us to make next, and please subscribe to our channel. I'm now serving it with some Hershey's almond spread. Who doesn't like a good French toast, you guys? So this is one of the way wherein you can make use of these overripe bananas to make a delicious snack. It's healthy and it's delicious. Make sure you give it a try and wait for our next series. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with more videos.